What's up, everybody? It's your friend Ricky J. Alvarez here, Ricky the Realtor of Boulevard Real Estate and Alvarez and Associates, and it's our honor and pleasure to introduce you to our newest listing here, our stunning Oakley Rancher at 167 Little Ranch Circle here in the beautiful city of Oakley, California. Built in 2017, so it has all the modern features and modern amenities you expect in a newer build. It features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2152 square feet on over 8,000 square foot lot. And if you're an entertainer, this home is perfect for you. You have a gazebo, a patio, and this beautiful park-like setting with this play structure, and you even got a dog run over here for the doggos. Perfectly located near shopping, dining, golf courses, recreation, transportation. You can go fishing and hiking. There's so much more you can do here in the city of Oakley. You have to come take a look at it for yourself. Welcome to your crib.